everybody, Alan here with Pawpa Flavor. Getting ready to grill up some party wings with my rosemary garlic. It's a new flavor they decided to carry here at the store at American River Ace Hardware. So basically the rosemary garlic is exactly what it sounds like. Very heavy on the rosemary, as you can see. And I'm so all natural that, you know, I'm not the guy that puts the chemicals in everything. So you're actually getting multiple textures of the actual rosemary and garlic, along with my Pawpa Flavor formula that a lot of you are already very kin to. So this one is very aromatic and absolutely flavorful. All right, so here's the reveal. We're gonna go ahead and try our rosemary garlic chicken wings first. Danny's gonna go ahead and give it a try and let us know what he thinks.
That's money.
Nice, nice.
Very like real, nothing artificial in there.
Picking up that rosemary.
The chicken.
Yeah.
This
Isn't that
is
awesome?
Safeway chicken. It tastes like fancy chicken.
Right? It is fancy. It's rosemary
really
garlic.
good.